Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to check Muscletech Nitro Tech's originality. The easiest way to verify your product is by using the official Muscletech Verify app. Simply download it from your phone's app store. Once installed, find the unique hologram sticker or QR code on your Nitro Tech container. Scan this code with the app, and it will immediately tell you if your product is genuine or potentially counterfeit. This quick check provides peace of mind in just a few seconds. Next, pay close attention to the physical packaging. Genuine Muscletech Nitro Tech products feature high-quality printing with crisp graphics and consistent colors. Always ensure the tamper-proof seal is perfectly intact and not easily removed. Verify that batch numbers, manufacturing dates, and expiry dates are clearly printed and legible. Counterfeit products often have blurry text, misaligned fonts, or even spelling mistakes, which are major red flags to watch out for. Beyond the packaging, assess the product itself. Authentic Nitro Tech powder should have a consistent texture, a characteristic smell, and mix smoothly without excessive clumping. If the powder looks or smells unusual or dissolves poorly, it might be fake. Also, be very cautious of deals that seem too good to be true. Extremely low prices are a common sign of counterfeit supplements. Always ensure all expected security features are present and functional. Finally, one of the most crucial steps is to purchase your Muscletech Nitro Tech from authorized and reputable sellers. Buying directly from official distributors or certified sports nutrition stores significantly reduces the risk of receiving a fake product. Always ask for a proper invoice or bill to confirm your purchase. If you ever have any lingering doubts about your product's authenticity, do not hesitate to contact Muscletech's customer care for direct assistance. Stay safe and supplement smart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.